Igama nguJosiah Wakacindi Sibongo, imember South African Football Masters Legends. Ngidlale ibhola ngekhaza bo-70 ngidlalela iMoroka Swallows Limited. So now size lapha eThokoza kuma-games abizwa team ama-game esakhula ngawo sisakhula asakha sikhulisa. So i-purpose yethu lamina ngiku-social department kule nhlangano. Ukuza kwethu lapha ikona okunye okusisizayo ku-health yethu ukuthi ke siphume sihambe singagugeli ey'tulweni emakhaya. So ukuza kwethu lapha siyabona mpela sikhuthaza nala sikhuthaza khona kubantwana ukuthi lento esport iyona nto engabacoca ibanika i-direction yempilo ukuze bangathathwa izinto ezikhona nje ezingalunganga empilweni zabo. So-ke kakhulu-ke social work siyona uhambelana singabantu sesidlalile ibhola siqedile ngoba kwethu ungabi khona together kuyamenza ukuthi uguge ungabi khona active nangemind. So kuba khona kwethu lapha ngokunye nje okusenza ukuthi on a social level si-understande sincede la sinceda khona sikwazi ukukhula nathi sikhulise ama-niche afunwa yi-community yethu. Kungako-ke size namhlanje kunika i-support ukuthi lo coordinator yale team ngomunye wemember yethu ngomunye umuntu o-very active ku-sport department. So sithe nasomnika naye i-support kuyimember yethu sibona ukuthi from here sikhula siyaphi ngale nto le yokuthi nje kube nama-activity aqoqa abantu nabantwana from ama-commitments a-negative.
Ngiyavuya kakhulu Mthomdala ukuthi wena coordinator of social responsibility kule forum or organization yama-legend, because singiye sibona abafana abasasebancane abadlala nabanye asebebadalanyana which is into enhle bayafunda. Wena as umuntu omdala nawe uyi-legend yegame, when it comes to ukufundisana ibhola, because ibhola it's not about ukukhaba ibhola but idiscipline. Ngeke ngabona ama-tackle ukuthi abanye baya ngenhliziyo, and nina as i-organization do you think abafana mabephume kanje bezohlangana nabadala ningakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe nihlangane nabo nibe nama-session nabo ukuthi lapho nikwazi ukuhlangana nabo laba abafuna ukuba ama-legend nani bafuna ukufana njengani mhlawumbe in future, ningabanceda kanjani?
Yeah, very crucial and very important ukuhlonzelwa igaba lezo, because abantwana namhlanje uthola umntwana ku-age involve entweni engamfanelanga kule age akuyo, because akunama-activity abaqoqayo abantwana. I-sport is one activity engacoordinate i-organize i-community socially nokumgayela umntwana ukuthi ngempilo how to grow, how to behave. Uma nga-understanding nama-commitment ku-sport yini into eshape umqondo womntwana iyashoda ayibi khona. But uma ku-sport uyakhona ukubahlotha ngama-age gap abo abantwana ukuthi ama-age gap number 11, 13, 15, 17 age bakwazi ukuthi ubanakelele kulo age thinking yabo leyo, hayi ukuthi bangathatha abantwana be-under 11 mhlawumbe abantwana be-under 17, 18. So umqondo wabo awukafunction ngokulingana. So ukuba groupa together kungako ama-legends funeka abe involved kuma-community based sports azokwazi ukuthi badevelophe labantwana babashape for i-future yabo from the growing level ukuthi bashape kumqondo wabo. So yona role yethu esiyemile esifunayo ngako kwamanje kakhulu okushodayo kulokho-ke i-support, because for the pensioners don't have strength of coordinating these kids. But if ngaba khona the support thethengela nje kube nama-equipment for labantwana, then thina will spend time with them and assist them and guide them of how to face life. That's what is important. Assistance from the community people yona esileka.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mthomdala. Just your last word ke kulabantu abangezanga lana namhlanje, i-message ongabuthanda ukubazisa ukuthi baluzane namhlanje.
Yes, it's important ukuthi community the way ama-activity anjengala ngasekho ngakhona abekho aware ukuthi abantu kuba khona kwabo la umqondo wabo uba challenged, they can pick up one or two things enaye engamkhulisa sicontribute ngazo sibonisanele ngazo ungabi khona but they miss that gathering of socially ukuthi ikhulisa.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mthomdala.